How to set up Chatbox and Streamlabs in 2024. Setting Chatbox in your Streamlab helps you communicate with your audience more conveniently. So it is one of the most important feature why you are streaming. So how can we do it? Let's get started with it. So the very first thing I want you to do is go on sources and tap on this plus icon. After that, I want you to go on widgets. And here, I want you to go on Chatbox and tap on Add Source. After that, Add Source, tap on Add Source. And here, you get this interface. What you need to do is theme clean. Just drop down that option. You may just choose any of the option like boxed, Twitch, old school, chunky, whatever option is more convenient for you. I'm gonna choose boxed, not clean. I'm gonna choose the box one. I think that is more easy for me to read. So I'm gonna choose the box one. After choosing the options, what you can do is you need to enable the option called always show messages, and you get this option of high delay. You may just set it accordingly, and you can see other options such as many options. You may just customize it accordingly, like changing the text color, font size, background color, or whatever, and then tap on done. And then after closing, you see this thing moving on my screen. That is your chat box. You may just place it anywhere you want. You can resize it. I'm gonna make it a little bit small so that it becomes easier for me to read, to show my audience my stream, and also read my chats with my audience. So this middle square box shows me the chat. And yeah, that's it. That's how you set it up, your chat settings on your Streamlabs. So thank you for watching this video.